Hello everyone, my name is Belinda Avissa. Today I will answer the questions of lesson 4 regarding to the topic of structure of the presentation of Obama's speech. So for addresses, it is addressed to the students, the faculties, staff of University of Indonesia, and also for Dr. Gumilar Rosliwa Sumantri, and also for Indonesian people in general, since Obama had a speech in University of Indonesia, generally in Indonesia. And then for greetings, at the beginning of his speech, he started his speech by saying Selamat pagi, Assalamualaikum, and Salam sejahtera, which showed that he tried to apply Indonesian cultures in his speech, which it catch the attention of the audience, as we've already known that the majority of Indonesian people are Muslims. It also showed that he tried to respect everyone in every country he had already visited. And then for the opening, first, he explained his life in Indonesia, which when he was young. He also mentioned several differences of Indonesian condition in 1967 with Indonesian condition in 2014. And then the second, he also said that many people and his teachers are so kind and helpful in helping him to understand the Indonesia, everything about Indonesia, since Indonesia formed by thousands of islands and has a lot of people from many different ethnicity, religion, and then and also races. It taught him about human rights and respect. And then the third one is he explained that his father had ever told him that Indonesian people would fight for everything which being their rights, although they had to die. And then fourth, he mentioned that Indonesia had an incredible transformation in democracy and human rights. And then the last one, he mentioned it to celebrate Heroes Day of Indonesia. And then for the topic of the discussion, he mentioned three fundamental and related areas in human progresses. That is development, democracy, and religious faith. And then for how he developed his idea, he explained each area by giving some explanation related to Indonesia and America. The first one is for development. The United States and Indonesia worked together to determine the direction of global economy. Also, Indonesia should be an example of the transparency of the economics for global. The United States and Indonesia developed clean energy technologies and preserved Indonesia resources. The United States and Indonesia kept making a good relationship by increasing the collaboration of the scientists and researchers of both countries to fasten entrepreneurship. also invited students of both countries to study in America or Indonesia. Democracy and development reinforce one another. And then the second one is for democracy. Indonesia become one of the example for global, especially for human rights and freedom. And then the last one for religious faith, Indonesia become the example of tolerance for the United States and the world. He tried to Obama said he tried to fix the relationship between the United States government and also its people and Muslims. The United States also worked together with several Muslim countries to fight terrorism and violence. And then for closing, he hoped that the United States and Indonesia can work together to share the truth with all mankind. And then for the part of thanking, he thanked the whole Indonesian people and following by salam, that is assalamualaikum. So that is my opinion for topic 4. Thanks for your attention. See you.